conducting a civil trial without legal representation. Closing submissions. Let's find out how to prepare your closing submissions. Closing submissions allow you to present your arguments on why the court should decide in your favor. They should address the relevant law and facts in support of your claim. You should also address the other party's position and arguments where possible. The applicable law. You will need to do some research and tell the court what the applicable law is. The law can be found in statutes, cases, and academic publications such as textbooks. Statutes can be found on the Singapore Statutes online website. Repository of local cases can be found on the SG Courts and LawNet websites. The facts. You will need to review the facts and inform the court of what is relevant. The facts may be found in the affidavits of evidence in chief, or AEICs in short, bundles of documents, and the oral evidence that arose during the trial. You should not introduce documents or evidence outside of these materials. Your submissions should be prepared in a logical and organized manner. You should focus on the key points and avoid going into irrelevant material. Closing submissions can be made either orally in court on the day itself or in written form on a later date. Oral closing submissions. Oral submissions are the default mode for simplified trials. This applies to all originating claims before a magistrate's court, or to originating claims before a district court if parties consent. Oral submissions may also be made in cases that the court finds suitable. You should be prepared to make these submissions on the day the trial is scheduled. Written closing submissions. If the court decides that written submissions are more suitable, the court will give the timelines for the submissions at the end of the trial. If written submissions are prepared, you should apply for the trial transcripts. This will set out what was said verbally in court. You should make clear references to the transcripts, AEICs, documents and authorities in your written submissions. Let's look at an example of how your written submissions can be prepared. Ensure that you file the closing submissions according to the timelines set by the court and send a copy to the other party. Once the closing submissions are done, the court will consider the matter before delivering its decision, also known as judgment. The court may pronounce the judgment on the same day in appropriate situations, such as if oral submissions are made, or on another day. Thank you for watching. We hope you find the information useful. Please refer to the Rules of Court, Practice Directions and other guides on the SG Courts website for more information.